Today I work with Asfsisterwig again, y'all. They reached out again. They want to send me I think it's called knotless wig. I don't know. I'll post it like a picture somewhere. But I haven't opened up the box because I want y'all to see how beautiful the box comes. So freaking cute, right? So I want y'all to admire the box. So I don't know what kind of hair they sent me. I just know. I was like, oh, I just want to save it until it's time for me to record so y'all can see the pretty little bow on the box. So now I can see what's in here. Like, I don't know what kind of hair in here, so I'm just like hyped about it because I know it's about to be bomb because it's a knotless. I don't know if I'm saying it right, knotless. Let me go look. So it's actually called the Invisible Knot, the Invisible Knot Wig. So, you know, it can look like the scalp. It's supposed to look like your scalp. So I guess that's what it is. Fake scalp. Oh, so yeah, I had to go get my paper because I'm like, yeah, I know it's not knotless. It's called Invisible Knot. Here's the Invisible Knot Wig. In the box it comes with elastic and it comes with a wig cap. I'm not really gonna use the elastic because I don't hook up the elastic to my wigs, so we're just gonna save that for another day. Oh, ooh, y'all, when I say this wig already come, let me put it down a little bit. This wig already come bleached and this wig already come plucked. So like, sis, we already know this wig about to be bomb. Ooh, and then it's so I don't know, I've been hyped about the short hair lately, so they sent me a short wig, so I'm super hyped about this too. Cause I'm gonna put some curls in her. I'm gonna curl her up just like I had this wig. Okay, like she is bleached already. You can see like she is bleached like already. Look how much lace on this wig. She look like a full lace, but I don't think she a full lace, but you get like a lot of parting space. Oh my god, y'all. So we about to put her on. She basically gonna look like this, okay? I'm gonna curl her so cute, just like I had this one. And we're gonna get into this video, sis. Looks like I got all the detail. And this is a 13 by 6, so you know you get like extra parting space. So basically I'm gonna be showing y'all this wig, the parting space, and we finna get her together. I'm hyped because like she already bleached and she plucked, so I'm super hyped about that. Okay, so this is what I need y'all to do: like, comment, and subscribe if you're finna get into this video. We about to put her on because I'm super hyped about her. Ooh, finna put her on. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this little piece because I feel like this is so unnecessary. I guess it's for the people who like to sew their wigs down, but since I don't like to sew mine down at the back, so we're just gonna cut her. We're gonna cut her in the back. Let's cut her. This lace is bleached, okay? I don't have to do nothing to it. I'm not gonna do nothing to it, none at all. But put her on. This wig is so natural. Hold on. I think I got it right now. I think she comes in like layers. I'm like, oh my god. Okay. Okay, so I went back in and unhooked them adjustable straps because like they is not, no, I don't like the adjustable strap that's in the back because it really like hurt when you, I don't know, like when you glue it down, it really hurt. So I'm just like, I'm gonna unhook them. So now I'm having a hard time like getting this part together. So I'm gonna get her together. Well, I'll probably not even glue. I'll probably just put some clips right here because I am wearing the middle part. I'm wearing the middle part. And y'all, this is the scalp that comes on the wig. It's a little orangey, but you know, it'll work. You can tone it down to your skin color. I'm finna pin it on the side. I'm gonna pin it on the side because I had to remove the strap because they really hurt. I don't know if any other people had like this problem, but these, they hurt the back of my ear, and it's kind of hard for the lace to sit too because of the adjustable straps that already comes on the wig. So I'm gonna flatten her out and just get the finished results. So I finally got the hair to work because at first, y'all, this hair was not working. This is the scalp. This is the fake scalp, right? Okay. So I ain't really doing. Hello. This is the fake scalp. I didn't do nothing to it. I don't think I did was part the hair down the middle. So whatever y'all see, this is how the hair came. The wig was a little too big, so that's why I didn't really glue this wig. First I glued it down, then I took it down. Then I was like, okay, let me try again. So this is what I got. So yeah. I absolutely like it now because at first I was like, it's not working for me. The wig's too big, so I snatched it off, put it back on. So I'm like, okay, sis, we gotta get it to work. So I think, and this is Afsister's Invisible Knot Wig, because y'all don't have time to, you know, go to the store and bleach and do all that. Y'all can just pick y'all up one of these Afsisterwig with the invisible knot, because they already come pre-plucked and bleached. So this is the parting space. You get like a lot. I love when you get a lot of parting space because this is a 13x6. I just love 13x6 front tools because you get so much parting space, and I like my parts to go all the way to the back. I don't know why, I just do. If y'all want to know more details about this, I click the description box below and get into the hair. I feel like my part is crooked. That's just like a always thing for me. I don't know why my part is always crooked. I try my best to part the hair, but it's always crooked. I don't know why. The adjustable strap is tight back there. I had to hook it back up. Alright, and I'll see y'all in this video. Okay, gang, and I want to thank Afsister again for sending me this knotless. No, I keep saying knotless. It's invisible knot wig. Because y'all, she ain't got no knot. She is all bleached. Okay? Okay. So, yeah. I'm thanking them once again. I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay.